Hi! Welcome back again to the English class with me, Miss Roro. Today, we are going to talk to materials in the Unit 10. The first one is the expression of quantity followed by of, and the second one is about maths language. I repeat, two materials from Unit 10. They are the expression of quantity followed by of, and then the second one is about the language maths. And this is the explanation. Check it out. This is the explanation of expression of quantity followed by of. In this unit, we are going to talk about the quantity of things which is followed by the preposition of. The first one, when do we use of? We can use the preposition of if we find the words like this. They are a quarter. So, a quarter of. In the sentence, we can see about a quarter of the participants came to the stadium. The second word is 2/3. You can put of, become 2/3 of. Example, 2/3 of the class come to school by car. The third word is 90%. Become 90% of. As the example, over 90% of us have brown eyes. Now, the second one, of, is optional. It means that in these words, you may or also you may not use the preposition of. As the word you see here, half of. In the sentence, half of the class voted for English as their favorite subject. Or, in the sentence, you may also erase the preposition of, become half the class voted for English as their favorite subject. Now, let's see another word. It is all. It can be all only, or also it can be all of. The sentence, all of the students in our group voted for blue as their favorite color. Or, all the students in our group voted for blue as their favorite color. The third one is most without of. So, it means that when you see the word of most, you may not use of after it. The sentence, most students use the internet. And most with of. It means that you have to put of after the most. You can see the sentence. Most of the students in our class use the internet. Now, after you see these two sentences, can you find any differences? Yes, you were right. We can put of after most when you put the article of the. You can see on the right side. So, when you use the in your sentence, you must put of after most. While when you don't use the, you may not use of. Any question? If no,
62, Part 3 and 4. Good luck.
Okay, you have listened to explanation about the expression of quantity followed by the of. Now, as what I promised, today we are going to talk about the materials. Now, let's continue to the maths language. Listen to the explanation.
Let's continue to the language of maths. Here are some signs you can find in maths. They are add, plus, subtract, minus, multiply, and divide. While here are some common fractions in maths. They are a half, a quarter, a fifth. This is 2/5. And then the last one, 2/3. Now, let's open textbook, page 78, part 3. We will discuss the answer together. Textbook, page 78, part 3. Number 1, a quarter plus an eighth. Number 2, 4/5 minus 3/5. Number 3, 5 plus 55. Number 4, 10% of 50. Number 5, 6 multiplied by 16. Now, let's continue to number 6. 20 divided by 4. Number 7, 14 take away 5. Number 8, 1.25. Remember, it is 1.25, not 1.25. Plus 2.25. Number 9, 6 into 36. The last one, number 10, half of 22. Do you have any question? If no, let's try yourself doing workbook, page 56, part 1, 2, and part 3. And also, workbook 57, part 4 and 5. Thank you so much for listening to all the explanation today. Good luck and goodbye.
Okay students, that's all about today's explanation. I really hope that everyone can understand well what I have explained before. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to let me know. You can ask me by WhatsApp or through the Edmodo. Thank you so much. See you again in the next video.